Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to open the browser console and developer tools in Safari on your Mac. If you're troubleshooting a website, checking errors, or exploring advanced browser features, Safari includes built-in developer tools that are easy to enable. To get started, open Safari on your Mac. Once the browser is open, click Safari in the menu bar at the top left corner of your screen. Then select Settings. A settings window will appear, and by default, you'll usually land on the General tab. From here, click the Advanced tab to access additional Safari options. Scroll down to the bottom of the window, and you'll find an option called Show Features for Web Developers. Turn this option on, and you'll immediately notice a new Develop menu appear in the menu bar at the top of Safari. This menu gives you access to a variety of advanced tools, including options to clear cached website data, test different browser environments using user agents, and inspect how web pages are loaded. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Mac and iPhone guides. Back in Safari, you can click the new Develop menu to explore the available tools. If you want to open the browser console for a web page, first open the site you want to inspect, then choose Develop and select Show JavaScript Console. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Option-Command-C to open it quickly. The console is useful for viewing website messages, errors, and debugging information. In addition, Safari includes a developer section inside Settings, where you can explore options related to automation, compatibility, security, privacy, and experimental features. These settings are mainly intended for advanced users, but they can be helpful when testing websites or troubleshooting browser behavior. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and we'll see you in the next one.